Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Dr. Nazia and all my fellow friends. My name is Muhammad Hazrul Hilmi bin Esa, alias Esa, and my metric number is BS 23110017. Today I would like to do a presentation about topic hybridization or mating of two species, which is the Tiger musculange Esox lucius uh, crossbreed with Esox masculinongi. Okay, next we go through the next content, which is introduction, taxonomy, results, and discussion, advantages and disadvantages, recommendation, conclusion, and lastly, reference. Okay, next slide. We go through what is hybrid. Hybrid is the offspring that result from the crossbreeding of two different species, breeds, or variety. And from Cambridge Dictionary, the hybrid definition is a plant or animal that has been produced from two different types of plant or animal, especially to get better characteristic, which is more better than the parent species. Okay, next we go through the introduction. The target organism that I choose is Tiger musculange, alias Tiger muscis. We can look at the picture of northern pike Esox lucius crossbreed with musculange Esox masculinonge. The crossbreed between male northern pike and female musculange will breed a new species or new variant, which is the Tiger musculange. It more bigger and better than the parent genetic. So it originates from the Northern America that live in the lakes and quiet river of Canada or United States of America. We can see the size and the outside the body of fish is different. Next, we go through the taxonomy for the mountain pike Esox lucius. As we can see the picture, it was photo by Dean Taylor, and the taxonomy of this fish is domain Eukaryota, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Actinopterygii, order Esociformes, family Esocidae, genus Esos, and species is Esos lucius. And not so different from the Esos lucius, which is northern pike. For this taxonomy of masculinge, Esox masculinongi, only the species get changed, which is Esos masculinongi. This picture was taken by Gary Nichols, and this is the hybridization of between northern pike and musculange, which is Tiger musculange, Esos lucius crossbred with Esos masculinongi. As we can see, domain until the genus still the same, but for the species become new variant, which is the Esos lucius and crossbreed with the Esos mascunange. The photo was taken by Solitude Photo Management. Next, we go through the characteristic of Tiger masculinge. Total weight and length is it can get the highest weight and length that usually caught by the anglers is sized of 334 until 48 inch, which is same as 40 86 until 121 centimeter and 30 pound, one 13.6 kilogram. The distribution of this fish mostly can be found in freshwater environment of North America in lakes or stagnant area, which is it more we can see this fish or caught this fish at the lakes or reservoir. The migration of this fish non-migratory. It only can move within the area to prey or find suitable habitat. For mature and spawning, this fish can mature after 3 until 4 years, but sterile cannot naturally spawn, which is it cannot breed or create eggs as organically. And breeding habitat or sperm, artificial interbreeding between masculine and northern pike must be done because these fish cannot produce by their own. So yeah, it required human interaction. And eggs are vestige, sterile, and cannot reproduce a new generation. Next, we see the result and discussion. But firstly, we see the result from the anglers. The tiger muskies consume more stock salmonid than white sucker in every surveyor, and the lesson deliver a blow to the state's present stocking efforts, but it provided useful information on how to enhance the state's stocking program, which is this fish need regularly to crossbreed if they want to keep it on the habitat. And the hybrid between northern pike and musculunge create a new species that can reach length of more than 40 inches and survive for 15 until 20 years. Next, we see the discussion tiger muskie introduced into lakes and reservoir as biological control agent to manage fish population. Overstocking of tiger muskie that lack of prey can result in unintended competition with native predator and starvation. They present in lakes promote biodiversity and offer unique fish fishing opportunities, but these fish need regularly to monitor and check the habitat if it can change the environment of the current species. Next, we go through the advantages of tiger muskie hybrid vigor. Tiger muskie benefit from hybrid vigor, which is heterosis, make them more robust, faster growing, and more resistant to various infection than the parent. Secondly, aggressive feeding behavior. They are not for the powerful strike, making them ideal for sport fishing. They prey on variety of fish, which aids in the management of smaller overabundant species. Secondly, thirdly, aesthetic appearance. Anglers appreciate them for their visual appealing stripe pattern, large size, and intriguing challenge because these fish have a unique pattern and unique stripe, looks like a tiger. Next, a disadvantage of tiger muskie, sterility. The tiger muskies are sterile, meaning they cannot breed, preventing overpopulation, making them appropriate for managed fisheries. Secondly, for disadvantage, nature of predation. Local ecosystem may disrupted by the aggressive feeding, which occasionally results in overpredation and smaller fish species. Thirdly, hard to catch. Although this make them more desirable for sport fishing, novice anglers may become frustrated by their strength and speed. These fish more aggressive, more strength, more speed because the combination between northern pike and muskelinge. The important purpose of this fish, anglers can enjoy the spot fishing and it become top-down biological management because it cannot reproduce their own eggs or larvae. So everyone can manage this fish and also this fish reducing overabundant population which is an unneeded fish that control the one environment that become uh, major in the one place. For recommendation for tiger masculine in aquaculture, I can suggest the reproductive management, which is tiger muskies are sterile hybrids that must be purposely bred by crossbreeding of masculine and northern pike by partner with well-known hatcheries, which is have experience to do hybridization of fish. Secondly, purpose of cultivation focus on stocking programs for spot fishing or ecological management rather than food production because this fish likely more usable for biological control rather than food production of the bodies or eggs to consume. And thirdly, legal and ethical consideration obtain the appropriate permits and follow local restriction for the introduction and management of tiger muskies. So everyone who need to catch this fish, they are need a permit before go through hunt for this fish for glory. Yes. Lastly, the conclusion. In conclusion, hybrid offspring of masculine and northern pike, which is tiger muscus, can help to controlling overpopulated fish species as a predator and have a highly sought for recreational fisheries, but the population also need to manage because of the unique threats while providing exciting opportunities for angler to catch as valuable fish. And that's all from me, but as we I will show you the references that I have found for this topic. I think that's all from me, and hopefully you enjoy and get new knowledge of this hybridization fish. So that's all from me. Thank you.